You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty?
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to JNM Vlog, and welcome to Germany. Today is a lovely day, and we are in the woods. I mean, just a normal day, and nature. We're in the greeny place, and yeah. So we want to have some walk and see what's here. Actually, we are in a place called Tiergarten, and it's a place, a park where you can walk, you can cycling, and I mean picnicking also. And so we're in this place here. We'll have some fun. I mean, yeah, we're gonna have some fun and check around what's here in this park here. Let's begin. So far, so good. Hi.
Hi. What's up, man?
Cool. There's so much things to look for here when you are in this garden.
I've got some feelings
Look at this dark here. It's gorgeous. Wow. This is Mother Nature. Oh, it's so amazing and also huge. They are throwing little pieces of, I think, bread or something, and it seems they are enjoying it, which is a nice thing. I like the color, the white and black, and with some kind of rose color, something like that. Look at it, gorgeous. It's early morning here, so the dog is trying to get some more, and the kid is a bit afraid. Beautiful, isn't it? So silence, quiet. Wow. It's just gorgeous. These greeny places. Whoa. It's such a beautiful place. Picnic here, you can even come here for picnic. Actually, it's for picnic placing and hiking and all those kind of stuff. And yeah. Oh boy. It's quiet here. I mean, I came here because a little bit earlier because of the weather, because otherwise it would be really hard to stay inside the sun all the time. And yeah, so even now there is sun, but I mean, it's all good. But in the afternoon, the sun will be really kicking in, so that's why I decided to come. Now people are jogging, as you can see, and yeah, this is what people used to do here. Yeah, and I think, like I said before, the restaurant is still closed, so yeah. It's such a lovely day. It's such a lovely day. Yeah.
Just this way, straight.
It's a huge, it's a lot.
And then you basically end up to the entrance.
Up. just keep on walking, and yeah, and what else? Oh, I think, oh my gosh, it's two different separate places. How can I go the other side? I have to figure it out. So yeah, it is what it is. From the stairs go to this side. Down before we were on top of the bridge, and yeah, I think to go to the other side. Okay, I have to pass the other side, so let's keep on. And actually we are under the bridge. It's so lovely though, look. And yeah, okay, thank you. Actually it will be opening in 11 and in 30 minutes, so I think me and my homies, we will come over here and check around. So yeah, that's what's going on here. And actually it's two different things, like beer, people drinking beers, and also restaurants. So it's divided into two parts. So yeah, and yeah. This place is such a huge place. I hope after I can return back to really. It's a little bit windy, but it's all good. And we are almost near the street side. Here, so yeah. It's very cold. I mean, yeah, we have to pass this. We are under, so yeah. Yeah, on top you can even go there, so yeah. It's quite insane. I think for today we are done, so we will end. We think we will end the video, the vlog here for today, and I hope you enjoy the little exploring here, the Tiergarten, and yeah, comment down below in the section, and let's have some talk.